it's rainbow time.
I'm so hungry. I'm going to have instant noodles. First, open the top. Then, add the cold water. Then, you add the seasoning, like this.
Stop, John, what are you doing?
I'm making instant noodles.
No, you are doing it the wrong way. Please follow me step by step.
Okay.
First, open the top. Second, add the seasoning to the noodles. Third, pour in boiling water. Then, close the top.
Great, it's time to eat.
Not yet. We need to wait for 3 to 5 minutes.
Aw, I can't wait that long.
Now, our instant noodles are ready.
Wow, they smell great.
Let's stir and enjoy.
Okay. Now let's slurp. Thanks, Vicky. These noodles are delicious. Do you know how to make instant noodles? Which flavor is your favorite?
Please leave a message below.
And let us know.
I'm Vicky.
And I'm John. See you next time.
See you next time.